Hello, young writers. Welcome to our exciting writers workshop. I'm Ms. Emily, and today, I'm going to guide you through the skills and processes of writing. Are you ready? First, let's gather some amazing ideas for our story. Remember, ideas can come from anywhere. Your imagination is your superpower. Let's think together. What if our story takes place in a magical jungle? We could have talking animals, hidden treasures, and a fearless explorer. What do you think? Great! Now it's your turn. Share your ideas with a friend or family member. Remember, there are no wrong answers in brainstorming. Once we have our ideas, it's time to start writing our story. This is where we turn our thoughts into words. It might not be perfect at first, but that's okay. Writing is like putting building blocks together. You can always rearrange the pieces. In a land of magic and wonder, a curious tiger named Max. Now it's your turn. Write your stories using your ideas. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Just keep going, and you'll do great. After we've finished our first draft, it's important to reread our work. This helps us check if our story makes sense and if there are any mistakes. Think of it like being a detective looking for clues. Oops, I meant to say, Max found a shiny key, not Max found a shiny monkey. So now I can correct my mistake. It's important to reread your stories and make them even better. Great job. You're becoming fantastic writers. Let's wrap this up. The 3 steps of the writing process are: planning. Begin by thinking about what you want to write. Choose a topic and brainstorm ideas. Writing. Write your ideas down one sentence at a time, focusing on making your sentences clear and simple. Rereading. Check your work for mistakes in spelling and punctuation. Ask a grown-up for help if needed. Keep writing, my young authors, and let your imagination soar.